honey, how do I start recording? Are you listening to me? Oh, I got it.
Oh,
Okay. We're in the hospital, and I'm laying in the hospital bed, and Keon's putting on a show.
I ain't finna do that.
This is
Keon. Who's gonna see that? And
wait.
I don't wanna. Why that light on? I thought I turned the light off.
You might have. I don't know how to cut it off, though. Okay, hold on. We're going to have to hold on for a second because I'm having a contraction.
I don't want people who aren't accustomed to seeing me do my thing. Watch me do my
Look
thing.
at Daddy.
So,
Matching.
because you may look at me differently.
We went out to the store today and looked like we was going to the gym.
You were exposed to such skew.
Because this morning we were supposed to be at the gym on the treadmill. We just didn't go because it stinks and I didn't want to go.
On the treadmill?
Because I wanted to go this morning.
That don't mean we were supposed to. I didn't agree to that.
You was going to take me.
You just said, what did you say?
Kian, you want to go to the gym?
Bullshit. You said.
Yes, I did.
No,
I was like real nice,
too. What you said was, I'm going to the gym. And I was like, no, you ain't. I'm going to the gym. See, ladies and gentlemen, that's what she does. That's slick stuff. See, she know I can't let her pregnant ass go to the gym.
Why are you cussing at the camera?
So what she do is she say, hey, Kia,
not the truth. It's not the truth.
And what that means is, will you take me to the gym? Because even if I'm physically capable of going, if you don't take me, you're going to look really bad to everybody that see my pregnant ass at the gym by myself.
But,
and what's this, week 39 or week 40? For all you TLC watchers who
this is not week, this is week 39.
Is it?
Yeah, week 40 starts next week.
We got to kill that light, man.
I don't know how. I just pushed
my lips feel ashy.
I just pushed it light. Turn on the bulb, the built-in light.
It say auto and manual and off or auto?
No.